The show is for you.
Shosho bafethu uStoni lona.
Hello, it's hi, it's your girl Ruthela Wethuku. Sinana namhlanje.
Sanbonan to the viewers, and thank you for tuning in with us on Nami Ngizopopa show. On behalf of the Nami Ngizopopa team, I would like to thank you guys for all the love and support and the positive feedback you've been showing us, bafethu siyabonga, and we really appreciate it. So far on the show, we've had the talented graphic designer Ashat
Mahopa, aka Ashmag, originally from PTA. I'm a graphic designer.
And the gifted artist Chaser. Check out his song Mangifike Ekhaya on all digital platforms.
Are you an upcoming musician, a dancer, a model, or on a brand of ukwazisa abantu ngayo?
Ungasabi to contact us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or by email at Nami Ngizopopa show.
The show is for you. Ungaphele amandla bhuti wami nawe sisi wami. Before uqala u1 uqala u0 nawe uzopopa.